Okay, so now let's take a look on how to edit the content on your website. But first, I quickly need to explain breakpoints. So as you can see, this website has 3 different breakpoints, one for desktop, tablet and phone. These numbers here are the maximal width in pixels of the device for which the given breakpoint shows to the user. So if you're on mobile phone, it's like 400 pixels, so always this breakpoint shows up. On tablet you are like, let's say 900 pixels width, so this breakpoint shows up. And on all devices with larger screens than this number, the main desktop breakpoint shows. And important thing for the breakpoints is that if you change content in one of your breakpoints, or like in the main breakpoint, it changes in all of the breakpoints. All of the other breakpoints. But if you change the content in the smaller breakpoints, for example in the tablet one, or the phone one, it changes only in that given breakpoint. So you can see I changed it here to tablet, but content on desktop is still the same. So if you want to revert this and have this breakpoint again act as the main one, you just have to click on the property you changed. It's gonna be in this blue color, and you click on reset override. So this is for breakpoints. And now for the content. You can edit text. I already showed you how to do it. You double click, change the text, or you can do it here in the properties panel. Then there are images. You just click on the element again, and in the property panel you find fill property. Click here and change the image to, let's say, mountains right now, and you can see that the image is changed. So another type of content that you can edit are the components. You can see that all of these elements look the same. That's because we use one component for them, so we don't have to repeat them individually. And when you make changes inside a component, it changes for all of the instances of the component. But you don't want all the instances to look the same. So components also have something called variables. You can see them here, and you can edit some properties, some content on the given component instance. So let me, for example, change the text here, and you can see if I zoom that the text change here. Or for example, 250 is gonna be the text changes, but to be honest, the number doesn't change instantly because it's a code component, so you have to play it to see the number in effect. But like that's just an exception. So those are components. I'm gonna explain them a bit more in detail in the upcoming videos, but just for now, so you know they exist and how to roughly edit them. And the next type of content is CMS. That's mostly used for some repetitive items. For example, if you have services, I used CMS for services in this template. If you want, you can add a new service, and you don't have to do it inside the canvas. You can do it here in the content management system. You just edit new service, let's say new service. I'm not gonna fill out the rest right now, so it doesn't take more time. I'm also gonna undraft it, and here you can see the new service. So like this is how CMS works. I'm also gonna show it in the upcoming tutorials a bit more in detail, since it's more complex.